This is my cat who thinks she's a tightrope walker. Good thing there's netting down there. Kitty, get down. What are you doing now? Why are you doing this? Well, silly cat. Get down, kitty. My tightrope jumper. It's a tightrope walker. Kitty, you're making me upset. Get down before you get hurt. You're making the ducks upset too. Kitty, you're making the ducks upset too. And there's my baby chickens. No. I let them out to do some free ranging. But my baby ducks are still in their cage. Good job, kitty. Get down. Oh, quit hissing at them. Come on. There you go. Yes, I got those guys out on grass. They like it. And they're staying in the yard. Why are you guys always in the chicken water? Always robbing the chickens. One thing about ducks, they claim all the water for them. Well, everyone have a good day.